Alright, man. Back at y'all, man. Part 5 bass boat restoration, man. Finna continue to wire up some of these things. I got my boy Khalil with me, helping out right here, right now. You know what I'm saying? Future engineer, electrician, all in one. He do it all. So he gonna be on this episode, y'all. Probably be on the next episode too. He here to help me out today. We're getting some of this stuff straight, man, and that's what we finna do. So, okay, I'm flipping that shit the fuck off. Get that shit up out of there. Ooh, the mosquitoes, boy, it's bad in here. I see. Ooh, I'm in the bed, boy. Get y'all out of the eye. And the mosquitoes in here, boy. Sheesh. Mosquitoes is not playing. You say he had the aluminum. I know the fuck he wanna talk about this shit here. What the fuck? Man, I gotta go. Khalil, when we go to Home Depot, remind me to buy a thin piece of aluminum, okay? Cause I don't think he had any idea. This nigga here crazy. So, yeah, that's what we gonna be installing in here, man. Still gotta add my plate to this. But should I even put this in here right now? If I gotta add my plate, I don't think I should. I'm not gonna worry about that right now. I'm gonna go to something else. Let me get these wires and all this crap like that out the way. So yeah, man, like I was telling y'all, you know, we was using 6-gauge Anchor Marine wire for our trolling motor and running to the power to run all our accessories, man. As y'all can see, this is our trolling motor plug, you know, that we're gonna be using. It's the Marine Co plug, man. You know what I'm saying? Cause you know we gonna be taking our trolling motor on and off, you know, whenever we fish at tournaments, maybe out of town. Whenever, you know, if we stand at a hotel, we want to be able to take the trolling motor off so nobody can, you know, steal it from us. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be using. And 6-gauge Anchor Marine wire, man, what we're gonna be using, like I say, for the trolling motor and powering the fuse block bus bar combo, man. So yeah, that's what we're using for that. Everything else is 14-gauge Anchor Marine wire. So yeah, man, that's what it is. That's what it is. What else I'm supposed to be doing? Oh yeah, I gotta tear my face off, boy. Tripping. Tear my face off. I'm just here, man. I'm gonna complete some of these connections, man, and on some of this stuff that I did the last time. Complete some of these connections and get some of this stuff taken care of, buddy.
A few moments later.
See where that rope at?
Yeah.
Move that rope out the way and slide that back. Slide the carpet back. Slide the carpet back. No, not that way. Hell no. Clear, not.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, you done snapped the whole thing off. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Slide it. I was gonna tell you, flip it back this way. Yeah, flip, yeah, back that way. That was the only part that was sticking in the front. Yeah. So yeah, man, like I told y'all, it's always bad out here in Miami, man. Raining or the sun out crazy. So we dealing with rain right now, man. But we getting all these things tidied up, man, and lined up where they going at. Almost there. Almost there. How far you got? Just right there? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's gonna have to be longer than that. Definitely gonna have to be a little bit longer than that. Cause they gotta reach, this one gotta reach all the way back here to where I'm at. And as you going along, it'll help you out. Let me see. Let me see, help you out. Hold up. Got our little trash spot area for right now, so we'll be able to clean that up later. We gotta have it all over the boat. Got us a central location for all butt connectors and all the things that we, you know, throwing away. They'll be right there. And I could just pick them up and throw them away as they are. I'm gonna figure this stuff out. Getting this all lined up, man, so we be plug and play and ready to go, man. The next go round, we'll be attaching these leads to the batteries, to the bus bars, or directly to the panel, man. Either or, and it'll make it so much easier for us on the next go round. And we'll actually be able to just plug this stuff up, man, and see if all our connections are right and see if we got power. So ready to get to that stage, man, and test this thing out. We still got so much more to go, man. Painting the outboard, painting the boat, doing the carpet. But we want to make sure this thing is running 100% and everything is powered up, man. So we'll be getting it real soon. And we gonna bring y'all along for every part of this ride. Y'all will be along for every part of this ride, man. Thank y'all for also tuning in and the love I've been getting, man, lately, man, has been, you know, much appreciated. Y'all keep it like that, man. I'll share the videos, like the videos, man. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all already know, man. Fishing with Nate, man. Fishing with Nate and Eli, baby. Y'all know how it's going down, man. We getting this thing right, boy. I gotta remember what the hell, what we was running that for again. Oh, okay, I know. All right, come on, let me see. Split that wire up there. The same way I did before. Yeah, split that one and split this one too. Not too far, just, you know, did like you did before. Just enough for me to be able to work with it, because, you know, I'm gonna have to use that and heat it up. I'm gonna have to heat the wires. No, don't do nothing. Man. God damn it. Pull it back some. Just a little bit. Keep going. All right, right there. All right, Khalil, come. Take this shit up real quick. Alright, man, so I cut me out a little, as y'all can see, I cut me out a little piece of aluminum, man, with my arm. Cut this little piece of aluminum out, man, where I'm gonna be sitting the build pump at, man, in this little tray, so that's where we at with this, man. This. Drill me 2 little holes for these little for this top screw thing, man. Where I'm gonna put it at. It's gonna sit right here, drill into the driver. Top. Yeah, man, we moving along, man. No. Moving along, man. See, now in this other bag. So you good? You there? You finished? Okay, check it out. I need you to take this out. Alright, look at here. See this little nut right here? You're gonna screw this off right here. See this? You're gonna screw this off. That right there is gonna screw off. And this whole thing, once we screw that off, we're gonna be putting another piece right here. So screw that off, and then once you get that nut off, you can just get the use your hand and just bang it up. Get the little small shit. What's going on? Don't want to come out. Come on, bro. Cut more at the tip. like press there, be careful, don't let that get on your fingers. See shit. Complete all this wiring, man. Get a little bolt, a little clean out real quick. Vacuum it out. And so we can have a little cleaner area to work in. And we'll be completing these wires on these panels, man. Get under there, too, Khalil. Underneath the thing right there. That's the main area on. Try to get, well, I'm gonna be wiring that shit up there. Alright, man, so we back at y'all, man. We getting these battery cables running from the trolling motor, running from the front for the trolling motor, man. And we're about to connect this to this circuit breaker. Get this off. Let's try it. Do me a favor, Khalil, grab the heat gun for me. Oh. Don't worry about it. Let me see how this shit gonna be. It's gonna go like this. Yeah, grab the heat gun and grab that that big blue thing. Yeah. need you to come on this side. Hold this yeah, just hold that in place right there, right there. Get where I'm at, where I was. You know how to scoot over a little bit. And slide up in. You ain't gonna be able to. Nah, just you can let your left hand go, yo. Just get it in place. See something? All right, push forward. All right, let me see something. get the screwdriver because you finna screw this in. You're gonna probably have to get on the inside of the bolt. Let me see. Where the fuck did I put the screws at? Did I even take them out? You say circuit breaker on there? Yeah. Alright, so this gonna be right here. Slide this back. And I'm gonna have to mount that. So
the drill, right?
We just gonna drill straight into this shit. Oh. So if I'm facing this way, the power is gonna be facing that, but the power gonna be on that side. All right, so Khalil, go ahead. We gonna put this right here. Whichever one you wanna do first, I don't mind. Let me make sure I got it right. All right. some things around and make it, you know, all fit right and make it fit tight and perfect. So that's what we doing now, man. All right. Oh yeah, that's mine. All right. As y'all can see, man, we got these batteries in, man. 2 bilge pumps in. We about to connect these wires, and I'm about to get this fuse block connected, man. We got our battery fuel gauge in over there, man. You know, as best as we could. Our little cutout was a little bit bigger than, you know, we wanted to, but I just threw some silicone sealing around that to fill that in to, you know, make sure no water get in there. And we'll correct all that when this boat gets sanded and painted. So that's that. And we're about to get these wires done up, man. Get these wires over here in this little fuse block area, man. Gotta get this, y'all can see over here, get this taken care of, man. So I'm gonna come back in casually here and there and let y'all see what's going on, man. Yeah, we done heated that hose up and it's still like giving us a hard time trying to get it in there. So I think we need to go get some of that cheaper hose, man. More flexible hose, and try to get it in there like that. Cause with that scenario there, it is giving us hell trying to get that in there. And I don't wanna continue on doing that. I want to go ahead and get this thing wired up, man. I'm gonna do that and get that out of the way, cause that is crazy. Always something trying to give you a little headache. Yeah, man, we had to tidy this thing up, man. As y'all see, we had to get some different hosing, man, from Home Depot, that flexible bilge hosing, man, so we could manipulate that overflow hose in, man, that fitting. So we good to go, man. We almost there, y'all. We is almost there. Almost. I think it's these. Make sure they fit inside the make sure they fit inside the little test one, and make sure it fit inside the inside the little vent hole. I think that's done. Yup, that's done. We trying to get this live well time in, man. Just know it's gonna be a headache. I know it is. What happened? You dropped something?
Yeah, the silver piece.
What silver piece? Oh, shit. Damn. Oh, man. Damn. Oh, man. You sure it went that way?
I heard it hit this.
Shit. Alright, man. And the wire came loose on this, man, so we got to get this goddamn live well thing back right, man. I need you to screw that other one off. Just unscrew all three of them motherfuckers right there. That's at the top right there. Just unscrew all them motherfuckers off. Alright, man, so didn't film much of this, man, but as y'all can see, man, we got our leads going to the battery cable, man. Hopefully we got everything wired up, man. Going to the master switch, going to the fuse block up there. As y'all can see, we got our panels in. I'm gonna show y'all a better view of this, man, with the big camera. We gonna try this master switch, man, and see what we got, man. If we got some power. Master switch is on, circuit breaker is in, and I don't see no LEDs lit up, but I'm gonna try this bilge pump. try this right here with these panel LEDs. This should come on clear when I click this. It came on. All right, and that's for that and the other thing. So, and that light flashing right there, so that's plugged up, right? All right, what else do I got connected with that? All right, moment of truth with this live well timer, man. On.
Nah.
We got our live well pump working, y'all. All right, I'm gonna try this this timer situation. Timer. I ain't gonna run it dry like that, but we know it's on, and it should be on the timer. So we got that. That's done. Can't check the nav lights cause that I gotta get a fuse for this. Khalil, remind me to get a fuse for this thing here. For this right here. It should be coming on though. I ain't gonna come on cause I ain't got no fuse in here. I gotta get a fuse for this thing right here. That's
boy, if you don't
coming on, so all right, Khalil, shit, all we got, I could tidy that shit up later. We could cut that hole for that later. You know what I'm saying? Another day. I got that. Khalil, what I'm gonna say, start putting some of the stuff up. Some of these things that we not gonna need, like the tools and the drill and shit, cause we not gonna be drilling nothing else. Leave them wire ties right there though. But put these up, and we could kind of start narrowing that down, cause we there. So turn this off, that off, that's off. So, oh, I got one more thing to hook to this, Khalil. I forgot. We gotta hook this up to that damn cord that go over there. I'll tidy these cords up later on. Right here, should plug that up over there. This for the trolling motor. This for this one. Did drill? What? That one. Get your ass up off of this way. That's that one. What I said we had to get? Those screws. That's all we gotta get. We're gonna have to go get them screws. And spark off. That screw so we could screw that shit in. You ever put them in the middle, right in the car?
Yeah.
Okay. See what that did? Made that come on right there by you, right by your leg. That's say for the starter, right? Yeah. All right. Are we doing that? Only thing we got left is to plug this thing up. All right. All right, start putting some of that. Let me see what we need out of that. What do we need out of that? I don't think we need shit out of that. All right, Khalil, let's start putting some of this in the car. And if we need it, then we'll know where to go get it. No, we need that back, because we finna put that plug up though. So put that bag back over there. But this shit, we don't need this. We got all this taken care of. Hit the lock. Y'all can see, man, I'm ending this video off like this, man. We got all our connections for our batteries in here, man. As y'all can see, I don't know if y'all can see back there, but we got our charge over here for the starting battery in here. We got our circuit breaker right there, man. Got our master cutoff switch, man, running to the fuse block, bus bar combo. We got all our pumps in here. As y'all can see, we got them in there. Never mind this gas tank, we still got to build our little cover for our hoses and everything. We'll get to that. We got our trolling motor battery charger over there. We got everything wired up to the trolling motor, man. You know what I'm saying? We got our circuit breaker over there. Everything wired up to the trolling motor. We got these hinges, man. Got these hinges in here, as y'all can see. For the back latch, we gotta get a screw for that. We got our battery fuel gauge over there, man. And we got our switch panels, man, in place, man. You know what I'm saying? Bilge pump, live well timer, and actuator, man. Fuse block, bus bar combo, all lined up, man. And hey, man, what can I say, man? I want to thank y'all for clicking on this video, man. I'm tired as heck, man, but we got this thing accomplished and we got it done, man. Other than a few minor little things that we just gotta tighten up here and there, man. But other than that, we finished. We got this thing ready to get on the water, man, and test out, man. So y'all make sure y'all tune in, subscribe, like the video, man. Turn all post notifications on, man. Thank you for rocking with Fishing with Nate, man. And we out, man. It's much love, baby. Thank you for clicking on the video, man. Y'all already know. Peace.